Guys, this is Sonomas again, signing in YouTube. So I want to have another tutorial, and the title of my tutorial is this: Unomas tutorial, how to use Wyvern and what does it do to your ID, even client ID. This means even if it is inside the ID list of YSupra, or it's been got cramped by YSupra in its ID list, it will get it will be so much comfort for you when someone uses Wyvern to your ID. Okay, even a client ID. Okay, now let's watch. I've already opened Wyvern. When you opened it, it will get a servers. I do have 153 good servers to list. Okay, what you will do is type in the ID. Okay, for example, I will do example in my ID. Okay, for example, I will go for Unomas05. See, Unomas05. Just type in the victim, not the ID in the victim list ID. Okay, there it goes. Unomas05. Right? Then put it in there. Add. Click add. Then click start. Now let's wait till it's over. Okay. So as you can see, it's already got cramped by my account manager in YSupra there. Okay. See, it got cramped. Okay. Just want to show you. Okay. Now let's wait for this. Okay. This is way too different in ID Locker. I'm telling you, this is way too different. It will destroy your ID in a different way. Okay? This is way far beyond your imagination. Okay? Now you see it's over. See, it's over. Now watch. Watch very carefully what will happen. See, got cramped. See? Got cramped. Now let's find a room. Join the room. As you can see, it's not joining any room. Okay? See? No captcha. That's what will happen if you're being booted by this one. Okay? It's very, very dangerous. Okay? Tools. Imagine just putting your ID in there, and this will what will happen. Now watch. I will put other ID and watch what will happen. Okay? See, it have a captcha. Say RB, say CW, J, say M. It goes in the room. Okay? While my Unomas05, okay, see, no captcha. So this is Unomas signing out. Just want to show you this. Bye. Wyvern tutorial. Bye.